Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to withdraw money from Robinhood. So as you can see, I have $617 on my Robinhood portfolio. However, I only have like $600 worth of buying power. So let's withdraw this money. So along the very bottom, you'll see multiple icons. On the very far right, you're going to click on that person icon. And then from there, you see multiple options: free stocks, investing, and transfers. Click on transfers. Okay, on this screen, you see transfer to Robinhood, transfer to your bank. We're going to select transfer to your bank. Okay, at this point, you see how much available balance you have to withdraw from Robinhood, and you see that your bank account is listed along the right-hand side. So we're going to withdraw the maximum amount here. So I'm going to type in 571.64 from my available balance, and then we're going to click on review. This transfer will take a few trading days to complete, and then all I have to do is hit submit. Transfer initiated. Your transfer of $500 to that account has been initiated. This transfer will take a few trading days to complete. And then you just click on done. And at that point, you should see the amount that you withdrew deducted from your Robinhood portfolio. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button. And if you're looking for a new brokerage, feel free to check out my Webull video or my Binance video, two very decent brokerages that I'm currently using. So happy trading.